Hi David, I'm Lori Muir at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, Alabama. I wanted to take a moment to thank you for your internet inquiry on the all-new Tucson. This is the 2015. I've selected an SE edition for you. It has a very nice equipment package. It's got luggage racks, alloy wheels. You've got spacious seating for 5 passengers, 3/4 leather seats, cloth insert just where your body touches the seat. It also comes equipped standard with heated seats. You've got your backup camera that's full color, touchscreen, AM, FM, XM 1, 2, and 3. You've got your leather wrapped steering wheel, very nice touch. Cruise, hands-free Bluetooth. This car is loaded out and a very nice price for the package that you get. Very affordable. You get America's best warranty at 5 years and 60,000 miles on your new car warranty. 10 years, 100,000 miles on the powertrain, but when you buy from Tameron, we double that to 20 years or 200,000 miles just for you. That warranty is good nationwide. Come and see me. I'm Lori at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, 380-6250. Come see me.